I'm Dina Lee, your newly promoted Star Master from the beautiful Kalayaan Rosa Mystica Healing Center. The journey was not easy, as you all know. Hindi ako bago sa inyo, ano? And when I met Atomy, ako po ay an ordinary housewife to my family, and also at that time po, kami po, yung pamilya po ay nasa restaurant business po. So, kung makikita nyo yung itsura ko dati, lagi akong naka-apron, I serve all the guests. I met Atomy through my very supportive sponsors, si Ma'am Lydia and si Sir Antonio po. That is me before. That was me before Atomy. Okay? And I learned from 8 years of this journey in Atomy. It was not easy, really. It was in 2018 when I have my first Sharon Rose Master, and I finished po yung pangatlong Sharon Rose ko noong 2019. And then, that was the momentum that we were waiting. But then, pandemic came, as we all know. Next slide, please. Okay. So, during the pandemic, lahat ho tayo nangapa, di po ba? Right? So, there was this fear. Lahat tayo natakot during the pandemic. Lahat ginawa ng paraan. So, one way of continuing the business, I even do online selling. The strategy was to still introduce the product. During pandemic po, nagbenta po kami ng mga Korean foods. With my family, yung aking anak po, tumutulong siya. And then, lahat ng binibenta po namin ng mga products during pandemic, nilalagyan ko po ng sample. Nakalagay po sa box ng kimchi, sa coffee, free taste. Ilalagyan ko po, each box of kimchi, nilalagyan ko ng 1 coffee Arabica, probiotics, hemohim, just to keep the business going. And our family is a proof na ang Atomy po ang bumuhay sa amin noong pandemic time. Bread and butter po namin ang Atomy that time. And through that strategy, I met countless people. Ang dami ko pong nakilalang mga tao. Mga tao na sila po ang cause kung bakit po ako naging Star Master. I am so grateful because binigyan ako ng Panginoon ng napakabubuti at napakababait na mga partners. To my beautiful Kalayaan team, to my Mindanao team, to everyone. I'm not a perfect sponsor, but the love that I receive from all of you, I thank you, it's not enough. Thank you so much to all of you. When you give your heart, when you value everybody, I think, thank you, Ma'am Sheila. Alam nyo, yung strategy to reach the top is hindi yung magaling ka mag-lecture, hindi yung, it's not even yung magaling kang magbenta ng product. It's all about the people na kasama ninyo. Kapag marunong kang mag-value ng bawat isa under your group, kapag pinakita mo yung totoong sarili mo sa kanila, susuklian nila yun ng pagmamahal. And that was our strategy. Our greatest strategy po during the challenge. I met countless people who are better than me, who are smarter than me. And thank you so much to all of you. Ang dami ko pong natutunan sa inyong lahat, mga professionals who work with me. Ako po ay galing sa isang malaking pamilya. Walo po kaming magkakapatid. Ako po ang breadwinner. Kasi yung kuya ko namatay po. And I know how it feels to become poor. I was poor, really. Alam niyo yung kailangan mo nang makatapos, tapos papaaralin ulit yung mga kapatid. That's how, ganun ho kami. And I do not want that po na mangyari sa anak ko. And I'm so grateful because I have a tool. Merong Atomy. Lahat ng naranasan ko nung lumalaki po kami, I promise po to myself, hindi ko po paparanas kay Gion. And I know through Atomy, mangyayari po yun. And alam nyo ba, during pandemic, dahil sa pagbibenta po ng product, may nakilala po akong isang napakagandang partner, si Dr. Wen. Ngayon po, isa na siyang center head. Imagine nyo, maraming partners po na pumapasok. Ngayon, na dati, pinapangarap ko lang, big business people, kapag in-introduce mo po ang Atomy sa kanila, nakikinig ho sila, and hindi lang ho nakikinig, natututo po ako sa kanila. I would like to say thank you to our Crown Master, Shem Hegyong, for coming today. Thank you so much for mentoring me, to Ma'am Lydia and Sir Choi, to my very understanding husband. Thank you so much for your generosity, for your understanding and patience, even if it means not going home for months and months and months. Thank you for the unlimited airline ticket. To my daughter, thank you so much. Kahit hindi ako nakaka-attend ng mga school activities, kahit na nalalagpasan ko yung special occasion in the family, because I know lahat ng ginagawa ko. Di ba lahat tayo mga magulang tayo, di ba? We all have dreams, right? And of course, yung dream ho natin, di po ba ay mabigyan ng magandang kinabukasan yung pamilya natin, di po ba? Lahat ng ginagawa nyo ngayon, yung pag-alis ninyo, kahit yung pag-absent ninyo sa mga mahalagang okasyon sa buhay, I'm telling you all, hinding mawawalan niya ng value. Magbubunga po yan. And now, I'm starting to reap the success. Natatamasa ko na po. And my real success are my partners. To my Mindanao group, thank you so much. Alam niyo ba, pumunta kami ng Marawi. Tumira kami sa Mindanao, kasama si Ma'am Lydia. Kapag nasa checkpoint, tinatago namin siya just to complete the PV. Napakahirap kasi. yung schedule, pag sinabi ng mga partner ko, Ma'am, we have Mindanao tour. Ang pinakamatagal na tulog namin po ay 3 oras. At hindi yun nakahiga. Nasa sasakyan lang po. We travel for 1 week, for 2 weeks po. Ang pahinga lang po ay sa sasakyan. Imagine nyo po, in 1 week, nagka-travel kami to 7 different cities. Imagine how yung gaano kabigat yung work. Success is not overnight. Yung challenge po is a long time preparation. Not only preparation, but you need to be smart. Kailangan po, magawa niyo po yung challenge po at dapat yung challenge po ay pinaghahandaan. Pinaghahandaan, not only the point value, pinaghahandaan, not only po makapag-generate at makabenta po ng maraming sales, but dapat mapaghandaan po nating lahat yung foundation kung paano ho natin mahalin yung mga partners natin dahil kapag mahal tayo ng mga partners natin, hindi ho sila papayag na hindi ho matuloy yung challenge, and that's what happened to us during the challenge po. Sila mismo po ang nag-decide na matuloy ang challenge. In fact, 5 days before the challenge, sabi ko sa kanila, I do not want, ayokong silang mag-suffer, okay? But they decide, sabi nila, no ma'am, gagawin po natin yung challenge, ma'am. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. To all my partners, for the happiness. Alam nyo yan, ang dami na ho natin pong pinagsamahan, ang dami nang naging successful. And I know, yung dream po natin for our family, this company can help us. Wala pa pong ipinangako ang Chairman Park na hindi natupad. Yung mga natatanggap ko po ngayong promotion, it's all because sa atin pong Chairman Park. As long as you never give up, as long as alam mo kung ano yung pagmamahal mo para sa pamilya mo, mangyayari po yun. Lahat ng gusto ninyo, be crazy for your loved ones. Pagmahal nyo ang pamilya ninyo, at pag nakita ninyo yung tool, itong Atomy po ay tool para maging successful po tayo. Minsan mahirap po. Alam nyo sa isang grupo, natural lang po yung hindi po nagkakaintindihan, meron pong misunderstanding, minsan po merong mas magaling, di po ba? But in business, especially po sa Atomy, kailangan nating, as a sponsor, kailangan natin ilagay yung sarili po natin na magulang ho tayo sa lahat ng mga kasama natin. Hindi ka pwedeng mamili at hindi mo sila pwedeng itapon. But we have always have a chance po na makibagay, and hindi nyo kailangan na baguhin yung mga partners ninyo. You don't have to change your partners. You have to change for your partners. Ikaw po ang mag-a-adjust. Ikaw po mismo ang magpapakita ng pagmamahal sa mga partners po ninyo, because kapag nangyari po yan, hindi ho kayo nila bibitawan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. To Sir Eric Kim, to my sibling lines, to all Atomy staff, thank you so much po for helping us during the challenge po. And of course po, sa buong Atomy Philippines, let's work hard, okay? Let's work hard, let's aim more, let's support our partners. And I know, ang Atomy Philippines po, sooner or later, wala na po sa laylayan ng branches ng Atomy Global. Magiging number 1 ang Atomy Philippines! And really, we need to work hard for that. We really need to work hard for that. Nakikita niyo ba yung mga nakaupo na successful people dyan? 8 years ago, katulad lang din po ako nila na nakaupo dyan. But now, na mas marami pong na-promote ng mga partners ko, I'm dreaming a lot po for them. Okay? And ngayon pong taon na to, I am re-challenging for my second Star Master and promoting one more Star Master in the Philippines. And alam ko, hindi lang po dito, but tulungan ho natin yung ating country manager po para mas marami pa pong Pilipino, mas marami pang Filipino Atomians ang mapromote. Tama po ba? Yes. So everybody, let's shout po, mabuhay Atomy Philippines. Aja, aja, aja. Can you all stand up? Okay po? In my cue, 3, 2, 1. Mabuhay Atomy Philippines. Aja, aja, aja.